Today, we're going to draw an adorable little squirrel. His name is Chippy. Let's start by drawing Chippy's round head and his tiny ears. Next, draw his cute little face, big eyes, a tiny nose, and a cheerful smile. Now draw Chippy's body. He's sitting down, so don't forget his little arms. Here comes the most fun part, his big fluffy tail and his acorn-shaped bag. It's coloring time. You can follow my colors or choose your own. Be creative. Chippy has warm brown fur, and his tummy and face are a soft, creamy beige. Color his acorn bag a deeper brown, and make sure his tail looks extra fluffy. Don't forget his rosy cheeks. You can also add grass, flowers, or your own background magic. Great job! You've finished Chippy. The little squirrel says he loves how you drew him. Every tiny smile makes the world a brighter place.